All right, so you're gonna need a fairly good sized screwdriver to get this open. There's a little snap like area right here. If you look on this top, you're gonna see that little area there. So I'm just gonna put my screwdriver in there like this and then twist it. And it should just pop it right open, just like that. We got it open, right? And then this pops out, but how do we get to the battery in this thing? So if you look, it's got 1, 2, all right, so if you look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 little areas on here. So I think I gotta pop these open. So if you look, there's like a little thing you push here that kind of pops it off. And I think that's on each one of these. So we got it a little bit here. Now we got to get this one. Could they make this harder? You see that? I've got it kind of like, there we go, look. So the battery's in there for sure. I just got to get this last one here. There we go. All right, so you have to release all of those, and there's your battery. Wow, that was not easy. All right, so look, on here there's 1, 2, 3, 4 catches, okay? And they go over these little nodules on this part of the remote itself. Okay, so you can see there is your contact for the battery. So now we've got to get this type of battery, which I'm not sure if I have this kind. Look how small this is. So, all right, so this battery is a CR1620, and we're gonna see if we can go find one of these. And it went in this way, okay? So just so you remember, it goes in that way. So this, the face of it is gonna be facing down when you put it in there. So we'll leave that there. All right, so you're gonna need a little flathead screwdriver that you're going to pop this open with, all right? This is not easy. Then you're gonna encounter these two pieces, and this is the battery that goes in it. And it's a smaller type of battery. It's a CR1620, all right? And then this is the other side of your component here. This thing here has 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors that catch on these little itty bitty things that pop out here. And this is the big one. Once you get the big one popped on this side, it's a little bit easier. And then this is the top. And you just smush this back on once you put this all back together. All right, so this battery is a CR1620. And we're gonna see if we can go find one of these. All right, as I said, I had a hard time sourcing this. I may have to buy it from Amazon. It's a 1620. But I did come across a 1616 and a 1632, which look like they're about the exact size. So we'll give it a shot and see what happens. We'll try it and see if it works. So let's go with the 1616 because that's the closest number to 1620, right? And we'll see, oh, oops, I didn't quite get it. Let's try this one. All right, so now I should be able to get in there. Of course, it's always a pain in the butt to get the stuff out of the wrapping. All right, the question is, oh look, it's got some kind of secondary wrapping on it. Oh my God, it's such a pain in the butt. This is like, they waste all their money on this. Why? I don't get it. All right, so now I should be able to get to this thing. All right, here we go. That's the hardest part. All right, let's see if they're the same. They look pretty close, right? So this is a Duracell. Is it the same thickness? They look pretty much the same, right? 1620, 1616. So we'll try this one. So to put it in, what we're going to do is we're going to face this down, okay? And that seemed to fit in there pretty good, right? And then now what we've got to do is we've got to connect this. So you got to find the big part here, and you're going to put that right like that. You see that? And then we're just going to squeeze these on, just like that. Bam, that's done. Okay. Now, all right, once we've got this all, put together, then all you've got to do is slip it in here like that, and it comes out really easy, when you're taking it apart. But you want to pop it in, okay? And then you're just going to take this on top here like that, and all you're going to do is squeeze it. Bam, Bob's your uncle, done. That's it. That's how you do it. And now you're ready to go and do some phobing. Lock it. Okay, it's working perfect. All right, so we did a great job on that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff. Peace out.